Welcome to this tutorial on creating Firebase email and password authentication using NextJS. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process to set up Firebase authentication in your NextJS project. To begin, make sure you have a NextJS project set up and the necessary Firebase account. Open your code editor and navigate to your NextJS project folder. If this is your first time, you need to install Firebase and a few additional dependencies. You can refer Firebase documentation for that. Okay, here I am creating a new NextJS project to show you from beginning. I am using VS Code as IDE. If you don't know how to set up NextJS app, follow me. First, open your terminal and type npx, create next app, your app name. Here, I am putting name as sample Firebase app. Now click enter and wait for it to download dependencies. Setup completed. Okay, now setup completed. I will keep Firebase documentation open for assistance. Next, let's create a Firebase project. It's done. Now let's copy it configuration. Data. Now we should go to settings and copy configuration data. To do that, first we should create a web app over here. Okay, this is the code we need. Copy and open your IDE. But before, let me open documentation. There is no need of this API folder over here. So you can delete it. Okay, I am creating separate JavaScript file to store these keys and initialize Firebase using this data. Copy the previous code in this file. Here, we need to create a dummy default export to prevent build problems. Now, I will run this app in Chrome by following command. Edit the dummy export as I did. Now, to use this auth, we need to export it by using get auth from app. To do this, we should import get auth from Firebase SDK. Let me check documentation to find its location. I got it. Now import it as I did. Now, we should add app in get auth while exporting. Okay, I will create a simple sign up page now. Here, in home page, I will create a link that redirects app into sign up page. Okay, I will create a form with inputs, email, and password, and a button that will sign up user by creating account in Firebase. Here, I am using useRef to get value from input, because it is a bit easier than useState. To do that, we need to import it. Set ref for inputs, as I am doing. First, I am doing it for email. Next, I will copy email, and change it into password. And do the same for ref. Now, I will create a button for submission. I will put all these things in a form to make easier. And I will also create an onSubmit method for this form. We should also add type equals to submit in button. Okay, let's check it in browser for any errors. There is not order vertically. So let's put BR. Okay, we designed it. Now let's put sign-up logic. I am looking for sign-up code in Firebase documentation. First, import, create user with email and password, from following location. But before, we should install Firebase in our project. Use this command to do that. After importing, we should create sign-up logic now. You should use e.prevent default. Otherwise form will not work. Now import auth from previous expr. We did it in Firebase.jsx. Now, let's get code from documentation. Paste and follow me without mistakes. Now let's check it. I will get an error because I forgot to remove getAuth from Firebase.jsx. Okay, now I removed it. Let's check it if it works. but we should enable this service in Firebase account. It shows alert. Means it works. Let's check if account is created in Firebase console. Console. Yes. It works. So, this project successful. Please like this video, and subscribe if it helps. Thanks for watching.